welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Naomi and this is The Real NaomiB, where we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. I recently took out my extensions and I have so much planned for the week and I needed a quick protective style to get me through the week, so I decided to install this unit. So if you are interested in a quick and easy method of putting on a lace closure wig, keep on watching. Okay, we're about to get started. So this goes without saying, you're gonna need your wig of choice. This one is from Amazon. Knots have already been bleached, it's pre-plucked. It's one of my actual favorites. If I can find the link, I'll have it in the description bar. Next thing you are going to need is some foundation. I'm gonna mix a light and dark shade to match my current complexion. There is no going around this. You need a hot comb. So the first thing we're gonna start off by doing is applying some foundation to my foundation brush. Now we're gonna go over with a tail comb or any comb or brush you may have on hand. Push all the hairs away from the lace. The goal is to push all the hairs away from the hairline. You want all the hairs to be pushed all the way backwards, away from the hairline. And with my hair just pushed all the way back, just gonna put that on. There you go.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
That is it. Only took me about 15 minutes to put this wig on my head, and that's only because I had to style and record. It only takes me about 10 minutes to put a wig on, especially a 5x5 closure. I used to wear a lot of 13x6 lace front wigs. It just took a longer time to install. I've been taking better care of my hair and using wigs as not just a cover up but actually a protective style. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope that you were able to take something from this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will have everything I used for this install in the description bar, so feel free to check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post a video. And as always, until next time, love you, bye.